Last week, guest host Richie Rich hit the streets of Ocho Rios. Now he's taking on downtown Kingston, and it's all about the Dollys. Take it, Richie.
So we're in downtown Kingston. We're hearing it all over. Who's the Dolly? What's the Dolly? Let's go ask. Who's the Dolly? What is the Dolly?
It's a Dolly.
Alright.
Specify, make it more specific.
Alright, so the luxury dolls are doing their body. That's what they call Dolly, alright? I want to know what you think about it and what you call Dolly.
Alright, you see Dolly thing down with long time from me a picnic. And we dealing with tablet now, so Dolly now weird. Because you see Dolly, when you deal with the Dolly thing, look up from this part of your bottom gone, part of your stretch out, and it don't work out. Bleaching's not really ready. You have to be natural beauty like me.
What is the Dolly? Who is the Dolly?
I'm not Dolly, I can't answer the question.
What is the Dolly? Who is the Dolly?
A Dolly is something I can't talk and can't move. A Dolly is a statue. A Dolly is a money queen. Me and a money queen. Me a move, me a talk, me a sing, me a dance, me a wine. Me and a Dolly. Me and me. What God make. A man make Dolly, a God make me.
Dolly are there in the store them right now, you know. You understand? And the girl them are run it down right now, you see me?
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? Right now, if you're looking at town right now, I be a Dolly, you see.
Yeah, so
see me?
as a big selector, you endorse something a month. So talk no month.
Oh, we have to work with the flow still in it, you understand? We have to work with where I go on. You see me? You don't know the thing. You understand? We have to run with where I go on. You understand? You don't know the girl them are run with the Dolly and them look good. You understand?
Fix up on
girl like DC and them girl, but some of them Dolly are I would like tell you on TV still.
Who is the Dolly? What is the Dolly?
Well, the doll them don't know, but come know the Barbie doll them. Don't it? And them when them come to the Barbie doll them, the Barbie them passed through the other day, come give her a thumbs up. Yeah.
You're one person who fix the Dolly and set them, right?
Yeah, we fix them and set them.
What is the Dolly? Who is the Dolly?
Dolly are handicapped, easy for broke.
Who is the Dolly? What is the Dolly?
Dolly. Dolly them there. If you move, Dolly can't move. If not, a Dolly can no. That means them girls can't nothing. Who is the Dolly? What is the Dolly?
Dolly is a toy. Dolly is something you want to play with.
What about the females that call themselves Dolly? What do you think about that?
Because them is a toy. Because Dolly is a toy. Dolly is what my daughter play with. So if you're a Dolly, you're a toy.
Who is the Dolly? What is the Dolly?
What is a Dolly? Oh, must the girl them favorite man. You know, fearless this man, straight to the world. You know what I mean?
Yeah, so the woman who do them body and stuff, the Dolly them were fixed and custom made. What do you think about them?
You know, them look good still, I like them. I work with all of the girls them, big up on yourself. You see me, I'm fearless to the world.
Dolly no plastic, man. Dolly is a plastic.
So for the custom made females that do them body and stuff like that, what do you think about that though?
Me wouldn't say them a Dolly. A plastic them see me, because them say a plastic surgeon get big up. When I look on it and I wind behind them eye and them, you don't feel like you have a real woman in your hand. You don't feel that, you know they see me just attract the eye, and when you look on them naked, you don't look real, so I plastic them.
So you don't like Dolly them?
I don't like the Dolly them.
Alright.
No Dolly, natural and make it go. Too much for eyes, your eyelash and makeup. With them look like a dead when them wake up.
Hear the next question? Who's the Dolly? What's the Dolly?
A Dolly is somewhere look cute. You know when you grow, you get the Dolly them, a nice cute Dolly. You have some real Barbie doll out them. It's an old girl, so it can't be a Dolly. But yeah, no, Dolly are for young people, not me.
Before you look, your belly flat. Here's a mature Dolly.
So there you have it. Who's the Dolly? What's the Dolly? That them say, we are work with it, alright? I'm your boy Richie Rich, I'm out.